Jackie Timms here, and in this video I want to show you how to increase your eBay sales. So the first thing you want to do is, let me write it over here, how to increase eBay sales. The first thing you want to do is you want to pick products in high demand because you want items that are selling. However, you don't want items that are highly competitive because then everybody else would be selling them. So like my man Russell Brunson says in Expert Secrets, you know, if people are over here swimming in a blue sea, or in this case a black sea, you don't want to pick that same product that they're doing. You want to have your own sea over here, your own red sea. So for example, right now things in high demand that are very competitive would be like an Instapot. You know, Instapots are so, they sell a lot. But what you could do is maybe you could sell the decal, because a lot of people, you know how they're decorating their Yeti cups? Well, you can sell the decal for people to decorate their Instapots. I mean, that's a whole red sea, whereas most people are trying to, you know, sell the pressure cookers and things like that. And you could just go sell the decal so people can get creative. And when you're creative, you kind of lose your competition. And so that's one thing that you can do. And if you're niche specific as well, that would be another thing that you could do there. The second thing that you want to do is you want to list items daily on Amazon or eBay. List daily. Now, there may be some days that you say, oh my gosh, I can't pick any items today. Well, what I would recommend is if you have some extra time today, pick a few for today and tomorrow, so that tomorrow when you don't have that extra time, you can just go in there in like 2 minutes or 4 minutes, zip a few items up on eBay, because eBay wants to see you in action. Because guys, this business is all about taking action, and when you keep your eye on your vision, you know your why. Why are you selling on eBay? And it's not to make money. I mean, you may say, yes, I want to make money, but deep down there's another reason why you're selling on eBay. There's another reason why you're selling on Amazon. And when you know why, it doesn't matter. You will keep moving and doing things to get you closer to your goal of listing every day. The third thing you want to do, and this is easy, let me tell you, is you always want to upsell your customers. Now, what does upsell mean? It is easier for you to sell to the same customer over and over and over than it is for you to go out and acquire a new customer. So I love to sell consumables. That's my thing, right? Consumables. A consumable is something that when you use it, you dispose of it and you have to buy more. So for example, Tylenol is a consumable, tampons are consumable, soap, shampoo, you get the idea. So what you can do is if you're selling a bottle of lotions, potions, and pills, not only can you sell one, but go ahead and sell two, or maybe bundle it up and sell three as well. Because if you sell three, and you can make more money by selling bundles, 2 or 3, or get, you know, like a comb and a hair vitamin or whatever. Do some type of bundle so that you can make more money. And you see this when you go to check out on websites all over. They're like, okay, well, you bought this widget, would you like the Superfly, you know, if you bought this shirt, would you like this shirt? No, I don't want that shirt. Well, how about this shawl? No, I don't want that shawl. Well, how about this necklace? No. Well, do you want super fast shipping? Knowing you're going to get it the same time as you would anyway. So keep saying no or yes or whatever, but each time they're trying to get more money and more money out of your pockets. So the fourth thing that you can do is you can turn your international seller. Sell your items internationally. If you can, if you're an eBay seller, it is set up that you can like mail to a central location and then they will handle it from there. If you're drop shipping, of course it depends on size and things like that. Some hazardous materials can't be shipped. But this is huge, and I'll give you an example. It's kind of controversial, but I'll just tell you anyway. In 2016, it was Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton. And Donald Trump's slogan was "Make America Great Again." And even today, this is let's see what year this is. This is March of 2018, so almost 2 years later. That red hat that says Make America Great Again, you can go and buy that hat right now on Amazon for $10.99. It's on Amazon right now. $10.99. That same hat is on eBay right now for $6.89. So you can say, well, Becky, that's not that much profit, if I were to drop ship from eBay to Amazon for this hat. Well, it's about a $2, let's say $2.50, because it probably costs you like $1 to sell it on eBay. On Amazon. So you make a $2.50 profit. But guess what? Even now today, that item is selling about 444 times per month. So that's approximately $1,000. So there's an item for you right there. It's controversial, but $1,000 that you could potentially make selling a Make America Great Again hat. Now internationally, they can't get a Make America Great Again hat unless they buy it from eBay, one that's made in the USA. So you put it on eBay or Amazon, use your keywords that you learn in the training. You're not selling products, you're selling keywords. And these are 4 ways that you can increase your eBay sales starting today. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it on YouTube, give me a thumbs up, share it on Facebook. And this is Becky Tim signing off, and my goal is to help you earn your first dime online. Have an amazing day. Bye.